Hi everyone, this is DTIYS number 4. I made a ball-shaped clay to form the base of the bear. I blended each part using a tool and my fingers. I also added translucent liquid clay to make it easier to blend. After blending the parts, I added the details like the snout and eyes. If you are not feeling confident of a smooth texture, you can always add a rough grass-like texture by poking and rearranging the clay carefully using a brush or a toothpick. For the tiny ducks, I rolled a tiny clay piece and curved it like a chocolate for the duck pots, then added the beak and eyes. After making the duckies, I added it onto the bear base we set aside using translucent liquid clay or TLS before baking it according to the clay instructions. Cool down your clay first at least an hour before attaching them to your keycap. This is my keycap version of the Bear with Ducks DTIYs. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button for future arts and crafts content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye!